Every single day, you're swimming in a sea of persuasion. From TikTok videos to political speeches, everyone wants to change your mind. But what if you could see the hidden machinery behind their words? This isn't magic, it's rhetoric, an ancient art of influence. And its code is built on 3 pillars, developed by Aristotle over 2,000 years ago. First is ethos, the appeal to trust. Before we listen, we have to believe the speaker is credible. It's the expert saying, as a doctor with 20 years of experience, it's the voice that makes you feel you're in safe hands, that this person is worth listening to. Next is pathos, the appeal to emotion. This one bypasses the brain and goes straight for the heart. It's not a statistic, it's the vivid image of the terrified eyes of a child who hasn't eaten in 3 days. It uses loaded words and powerful stories to appeal to your fear, hope, or guilt. Finally, there's logos, the appeal to logic. This is the hard data, the show me the evidence part of an argument. It sounds like statistics show that 85% of households would save money if they switched. It makes you feel that your choice is the only rational one. The most powerful persuasion balances all 3. A message with only logic is boring. One with only emotion feels manipulative. But this art has a dark side. When a speaker runs out of good arguments, they might use a logical fallacy, like attacking their opponent's character instead of their idea. That's a major red flag. Understanding this isn't just an academic exercise, it's gaining a kind of X-ray vision. So from now on, don't just listen to what people say, look at how they are saying it. In that space, you'll find their true intent and your own power to not be easily fooled.